guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Wldoho and I am back with another video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you one of my favorite zero waste bathroom essentials, which is a stainless steel razor. Now, if you don't know, almost 2 billion razors end up in landfill every single year in the US, which is crazy because there's such a better alternative, which is a stainless steel razor. I know using a safety razor can seem really intimidating at first, but I'm here to show you that it is not intimidating. You can definitely use it. I'm going to be walking you through step by step of how to use it, how to take care of it, and how it's going to save you money in the long run. I'm actually doing this video in partnership with Wldoho, and they sent me this really cool razor and I have been loving it. It's very clean and sleek. I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to put this stainless steel razor together, as well as use it on your body and how to clean it. Alright, so the first thing is that you're going to simply place the blade between the two pieces and screw it on. There's a side that has rigid edges, and this is a safety cap which guides your hand so you can shave at a 30-degree angle, which is making it safer and an easier and closer shave. The first step is to exfoliate. So I'm gonna exfoliate with a Tata Harper body scrub. I love this body scrub and I'm gonna use warm water as well. Help to open up those pores. And what's also good about exfoliating is so it prevents the blade being overloaded with dead skin cells, and it just helps to soften the hair overall. I'm going to be using a shampoo bar. They also have some on their website, which I'll link down below, but you can use any bar that you have, and I'm just going to go ahead and lather that onto my skin. And when you're shaving, it's best to go with the direction of your hair growth. After you shave, make sure you're rinsing with cold water because that's going to help to close up the pores so bacteria and other things don't get into your skin. And when you're drying, making sure you gently tap the towel onto your skin to dry. And then I'm gonna apply some moisturizer onto my skin, so I am making sure that my skin is nice and hydrated and soft and silky right after I shave. So to clean, we're gonna run it under some water to remove any shaving soap or hair residues. And this is also important to prevent rust as well. So I never leave my razor just in the shower. I make sure to take it out and to dry it just to be on the safe side because I have a small shower and water kind of gets everywhere. For me, it's been best to either take it out of the shower or after I turn off the water in the shower, dry it and just put it on the cute little stand that I have. So to deep clean the razor, which I do, maybe, once every couple of weeks or so. And then I'm just gonna take a towel and dry off all the pieces. And once I dry them off, then I'm gonna put it all back together and it's good as new. So buying the actual razor can be an investment up front, but the blades themselves are very affordable. I'll put the prices on the screen as well as all the information in the description box below, but you're buying something that's literally gonna last forever, and the blades last a very long time, so you can buy a huge pack and it can last you for years. So it's definitely one of the best swaps I ever made, and it's also saving me a ton of money because when I used to use disposable razors, I feel like I would go through them every 3 weeks or so, and you're just throwing them in the trash, they're ending up in landfill, and you're spending a ton of money. So this is one of my favorite swaps that actually saves you money and is an investment up front, but it does save you money in the long run after a couple months. If you just do the math of how many disposable razors you're throwing out every single month, this is definitely a great option, and it's just less wasteful, it's clean, it's sleek, it's minimalist. It's definitely one of the first swaps I ever made when I started living a more low waste lifestyle, and I will link all this information in the description box below for you guys. If you have any questions, put it in the comments, but just make sure you take your time, go slow, make sure you're doing a 30-degree angle when you're shaving your legs. Don't rush it, don't push too hard. When you have disposable razors, usually you can push pretty hard, but with this one, just do it very gently, very softly, and you won't hurt yourself, and you'll definitely get the hang of it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know in the comment section below if you've ever tried a stainless steel razor. I really want to know. I want to know what your experience has been. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.